Hello guys, this is Glowy. This video tutorial is about making your Easter photo fun, more clear, more colorful, with borders and stickers. So keep watching and click subscribe to watch more videos that you don't want to miss. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is type Pizap in our Microsoft Edge search bar and then choose Pizap Photo Editor on the list shown. Pizap is a free online photo editor that works wonderful in editing photos. Click Edit a Photo Online. Click Start. If this screen appears, just click Enable Flash. Choose Classic Pizap. Now it will ask you to select a photo. Click Computer and look for the photo you wanted to work on. On the screen, you will see your picture and the Edit Photo tools. If you don't see the Edit Photo tools, then just click Basic Edit icon on the top left side of your screen. It's the icon with 3 lines and 3 dots. I want the picture to look more sunny and brighter, so I changed the brightness a little higher. I changed the contrast a little bit as well. I want the grass to look really green, so I put the saturation very high. I also wanted to add stickers, so I click the heart icon on the top, and then let's choose the bunny icon on the side that says Easter because we want to add Easter stickers. These are the Easter stickers they have. You can add as much stickers as you want. To add stickers, you can choose and then click and it will appear on your photo. Or you can also drag and then drop the sticker to where you want to place it. I want to change this photo's border. I want a more thicker border. So let's click the border icon that looks like a square. And then I'll choose Simple, because all I want is a plain white border. So these are their simple borders. So I'll just click the plain white. I got the border that I want, so let's click Save. Let's click Save again and save it to the location we want. Now we can share the picture directly to our Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, to your email, and more. Or you can also choose to start a new image to work on. So that's it guys, very quick and easy. We successfully changed our ordinary Easter photo into an Easter fantastic one, more colorful and more alive. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel guys to watch more quick and easy tutorials like this. Please click like as well and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope you all have a happy Easter.